If you're the adventurous type, you can create some pretty amazing presentations with lots of motion path animations. You'll see that it's not all that difficult once you get the hang of it. But let's start out small. Click the shape called Behind Shape 1. Now if we add an entrance animation like Fly In, we can control where the shape ends up and the direction and sequence with effect options. But we can't control where the shape begins or the path it takes. To do that, we need to use motion paths. Go down to Motion Paths and select Lines. This is the motion path. The line describes the path. The green arrow indicates where the shape starts, and the red arrow indicates where the shape ends. Select the path. This half-transparent shape shows the shape at its endpoint. Drag the red arrow and position the endpoint over the in-front shape. Then preview the animation. And the first shape moves behind the second one. Motion paths can be a lot of fun. Try some other ones like arcs and loops. Also, click Custom Path if you want to draw your own motion path. Let's go back to the previous slide and add a motion path to Behind Shape 2. Use the Animation Painter to copy the animation, then select the motion path and move its endpoint on top of the in-front shape. Preview the animation. The animation works all right, but the second behind shape ends up covering up the shape we want to keep on top. This is a problem you'll run into more often when you're creating custom animations, but it's easy to fix. Right-click the shape and click Send to Back, Send Backward. Now preview the animation. That's the way we want it. You see, all the objects on the slide are organized into layers. By sending the shape backward, we moved it to a layer behind the in-front shape. Here's another thing you can do to create custom animations. This ball shape actually contains two animations: a motion path that moves the shape horizontally, and a spin animation that makes the ball appear to roll as it moves. To add multiple animations to an object, select the first animation in this gallery, then click Add Animation to add the others. Also, don't forget about those additional effect and timing options. Here's another way to open that dialog box in the Animation pane. Click the arrow next to the animation and click Effect Options. I added Auto Reverse to the animations so the objects return to their original positions. So now you have everything you need to get started with animations in PowerPoint. The best way to understand animations is to experiment on your own. For more information, check out the links in the course summary.